Alright, we'll continue to create the scene for the terrain. So, first of all, create new scene in here, and then save. Oh, okay, we need to add first for 2D scene. Alright, we call it terrain, and Ctrl S, and then after that create folder in here, then also we create folder called tiles. Then we save here, terrain. So the terrain scene is where we save foothold for the players. Alright, after that we add new node for sprite. Okay, sprite node, create. And after that we add the terrain here. Okay, and put it on texture. Then we can see there's a lot of tiles in here. Okay, so I will choose this tile. Then all you can do is choose texture region. But before we move into this one, we choose the region, this one region, and we click enable in here. Okay, we should click enable in this. Alright, then click this one, then auto slice. Okay, I will choose this. Alright, then we zoom in, we adjust it a little bit. I will use only for this square. Alright, then inside of this sprite node, we add more node for static body 2D and add collision shape 2D. Then we choose rectangle shape, we adjust it a little bit. So after that, we need to convert this scene become tiles. Okay, how we can do that? So click scene, convert to, and then choose Tileset in here. Then we move into tiles folder in here and name it terrain. Okay, save. Okay, we create terrain.tres in here. After that, we create new scene for where the games happens. To this scene, and we will call this level 1. Ctrl S, back, create folder, levels. Okay, level 1. Alright, then we add new node in here, type Tilemap, create. Then after that, we drag and drop this terrain.trace into this tileset. Okay, so we could see in here we can draw our terrain here, but we still need to adjust this square because there is a gap in here. How we can remove this gap? We can click cell in here and change it to 45 and 45. Okay, we can see in here. Alright, then we can draw our game. I will create this simple line terrain, and then after that we click this one, instant child scene. Click this and we put the player. Open. Okay, we put on top of the tile map. Then, so after we add the player, we click this player and drag here into this one. Okay, if you see the player is too small, we could scale it a little bit. So scale to 2. Alright, we can find the player. So we will put the camera into the player scene. Okay, we choose player in here and add camera 2D. Alright. Then after that, we will click turn. Okay, so if we start it again, then we can see here. Then we can see the player is on top of the terrain. After that, we move into the script of the player. So we will add the gravity on the player itself. We click the player and we click this. So we can move into the player scene and right click in here, attach script. We start no comments. Alright. And then we can click create in here. So we delete this and type const motion equals vector 2. Alright, 0, 0. And then we create variable for gravity to 150. Then for physics process delta, we will apply gravity. Okay, but we need to create the apply gravity first. Function apply gravity if is on board and motion.y is greater than 0, motion y becomes 0. Okay. And then is on ceiling. Motion.y equals 1. Motion.y plus equal gravity. Alright. Else, sorry. I should put else in here. Then enter move and slide. Okay. To add the motion variable. Then we need to create more variable in here. Call up vector 2 0 comma -1. We copy this up to this parameter. Alright. So if we start the game, it will apply the gravity. Okay. We can try the player. So we will go up here, stop. Then we could see the player fall. Okay. Then I want to make the player move. So first of all, we create variable for speed to 450 and apply move function. We create the function move, and in this function we will handle if the player move left or move right or jump. We handle on this function. For the keyboard mapping, we will need to look for the setting. Then search input map, and UI left is for when the left click, right UI right for when the right click, up when the up click, and down when the down click. Okay, I want to add the key in here to A for the left and right for the D, up for W. Okay, A, D, V, and down for S. Actually, we just need UI up, UI right, and UI left in here. Okay, close. Then we handle the function. If input is action, press UI left. Then motion.x negative speed. So the player will be moved on left. Okay. And else if input is action, press UI right. Motion.x equals speed. Then else motion.x equals 0. So if we not click anything, the motion x will be 0, so that player don't move at all. Okay. If we start here, if we click right or left, the player will be moved. Okay. We need to add more validation in here and not right. Also, we need to add more validation in here also. So if we just click left and right simultaneously, it won't go anywhere. Okay. Alright guys, we will continue on the next video. By the way, if you like this content, you can support us on Ko-fi and check out our service on Fiverr. If you want us to create this, and this. Okay guys, see you later.